What's up guys, good morning. I'm here with another video today. This is gonna be different. Today I want to take you to the journey, day of my life as a mobile mechanic. You're gonna be with me with the works that I do, the place that I go, the customers that I deal with, and how much I make. This is, I think, the most important things. We're gonna wrap up, pick up pack of all my tools, put it in my car and leave. Right now 8:23. I'm kind of behind. I had to leave earlier, but that's fine. I had an appointment at 9. I'm kind of late. I have appointment at 10, 11, 1:30 and 3 o'clock. Let's see how much we can make today from the job that we're gonna get from the customers. Stay tuned. What's up guys, good morning. As I said, I'm ready to leave. Actually, I left the house a couple minutes ago and I'm on my way to my first client. What's my first client? It's a Toyota Camry. The guy, he attempted to do the oil change. They have a different oil filter. They require special tools, and I'm assuming they don't have the tools, or sometimes those shops or mechanic shops or dealers, they tied those oil filter they tied them really bad, you know, they hard, and they couldn't remove it. I'm on my way going there. I'm gonna charge them $90 to remove that oil filter and replace the oil filter for them.
Oh, what happened?
I think the oil filter housing will not come off. I gave it everything I got.
Okay, you have the tools?
Yeah. I'll open the garage to give us more room. But yeah, of course it's on the underside. I wrestled with it.
Did you drain the oil?
Yeah, oil's out of it. Yeah, I was using this guy. It fits all. It's to correct everything. I think when I had the oil change last time,
They tied it.
they
over tightened.
they over tightened that son of a bitch. I already have the nut out of the bottom of that thing.
Okay.
So it's already out. It's just a matter of getting that fucking thing out.
Okay.
You know, let me open the garage.
Yeah, if you can open the garage, have more space.
Yeah.
Wow. How long this oil has not been changed?
Oh, it sure as hell is, isn't it? Yeah. That's right there. But thank you.
No problem, man. No problem.
And after that, I have a customer. He has a Ford F-150 and he said is not starting. We're gonna go there, see what's going on with the car, why it's not starting, if it's a starter or something else. We will find out and then we go our day. And based on the price structure, we charge $90 for diagnostic. Some basic like this filter removal, same thing, $90. And on top of that, we will give you estimate. They agree with the job. We say, okay, let's do it, and we will book it for another day, or if you have time, we will do it in the same day. We will find out. Let's go. Beep, 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 beep. Engine locked.
Yep, it's locked up.
Alright guys, I've finished the second appointment. The starter clicks, but it's not turning over. I immediately thought maybe this is not the starter problem, this might be the engine problem. The attempt to turn it over is not turning, it's seized, it's locked, and I called the customer, I FaceTime him and show him what's wrong with the car. That's the beauty of being a mobile mechanic. I'm sure he's not happy with the result, but at least he knows what's wrong with his car. Confirmed 100% he need another engine. All right, I'm on my way to another appointment, but that appointment is at 1:30. I have that appointment, and I have another radiator replacement, and I have another inspection, AC inspection at afternoon around 4. I think I have enough time. Right now it's 12 o'clock. I have my lunch with me. My beautiful wife made me lunch sandwich. I'm gonna eat this as a lunch. That's good. Continue my journey today for another job. After finishing everything at night, I will calculate my profit today after I finish all the jobs, and I'll let you guys know how much I made and how is the business going right now.
So it seemed like it was the spark plugs and the coil packs. So we changed all the plugs, and there were 2 coil packs where, you know, they snap in at the top
broken.
sometimes. That seemed like they were broken. So we changed those, but it's still doing it. He'll be here with the key in a second.
Okay.
So we plugged it into the OBD2. We plugged it in, and it was saying that there's some CAM or CAN sensor. Not sure what that means.
Okay.
It sounds
You got your starter
horrible.
scanner? Oh, sounds bad.
Yeah, check.
Is it flashing? Not flashing.
What's it look like?
Cylinder 1 and 2. Those coils were bad. When I moved it, the coils moved.
So those 2 coils are bad.
Yeah.
Okay.
You need 2 coils.
Okay.
I'll put it in the front. You can change it by yourself too.
Okay. So
That's it.
all we need to do. Just take 2 coils out.
Just put new coil.
And those are 2. So 5 and 6 were bad.
Yes.
We changed 2 and 4. Those are still fine.
I put the 5 and 6 to the 1 and 2, and right now it shows 1 and 2.
1 and 2.
Make sense?
Makes sense?
Yep.
All right. Cool, man.
Alright guys, as you saw, I was able to finish this car in just maybe 30 minutes. The car was misfiring. They did some coil and spark plug replacement, but they didn't do the right one. Had multiple misfire, but they replaced number 3 and number 4, but number 5 and 6 were bad. I'm assuming they attempt to replace the spark plug, they did it, and they mixed up the coil, and then when they put the coils back, they thought, okay, we're gonna put the new one in number 1 and number 3 and 4, but they didn't know which coil was bad, and they put it in number 5 and 6. This is my assumption. You maybe have different idea or something else happened, but because I have this assumption and I'm thinking this way, because the customer said the car never changed after we replaced the spark plugs and the coil, still ran the same, and it didn't change anything. And I think that's what happened, because people, they don't count on the, putting everything back, especially unexperienced people. They remove parts, they mix, because all coils are similar, they looks like each other, and when they do that, they confuse which one was bad. You don't know, and when you put it back, you're confused, more confused, because you messed up. You mixed up all the coils. You shouldn't do that. You should put the sign and mark on top of the coils to make sure you remember which one were bad, number 4 or 5. All right, that was it. I charged them $90. They're gonna send me a Venmo. I'm heading for the next customer. Next one is radiator, but I'm not sure if she needs a radiator or not. I'm going to do the inspection. It's a Jeep Grand Cherokee, I'm assuming. I'm going there, check the car, see if it needs a radiator. I can get it and replace it right away, or I can do it tomorrow. We will see. We will see. All right, stay tuned.
It's all good. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Appreciate
It's so
it.
good to see you.
Good to see you again.
All right, guys, I finished the third one. This one was the radiator replacement on a 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee. As you guys saw the video how I did it, and I'm on my way for a fourth one. This is the Diagnostic. The guy, he has a Toyota Sequoia. He said the valve was ticking, the valves are ticking, making noise, and AC is not working, and some other problems. I think he wants to flush the transmission. I'm not gonna do it today. I'm gonna just do the inspection, see what's going on, and then I will give him an estimate, the list of the things that he needs to do, and then we will go from there. The Grand Cherokee radiator replacement, based on my research, I saw some people, they did remove the whole bumper, but it wasn't needed. It was a lot of work to remove the bumper and put it back, unnecessary. I was able to finish it without removing a bumper. I would just remove the upper cover and a fan and a bunch of screws and stuff and clips. It wasn't very hard, but it just took a little bit of time. I think I spent I can say an hour and a half, 2 hours. It was three and a half hour job basically. That's what I charged the customer, but I made more money. I get paid based on the whatever Pro Demand or Mitchell says. I'm not trying to overcharge the customers. Still, I'm thinking I'm way below dealer's price and any shop price. I'm way below, because I know if you take that car to the shop, they charge you for the parts alone $400. Easily $400 just for parts. Add up the coolants, add up the shop supplies, add up the labors and tax and everything, and they make you pay $1,000. No, I charged her 600 something, and she was happy. She's my way old customer. She's with me, I think, since 3 years ago. She's bringing her car to me. She had a Hyundai. It was the first time she called me. She needed a turbo, and then after that we did some brakes, and now just we go from there. All right, I'm on my way for the next one. I have 18 minutes. I'll be there and I'll do the inspection. I hope my battery life help me to record the next one, and then I will give you an update. All right, stay tuned. Thanks for staying tuned with me all the way and watching the video all the way to here. I have the numbers. This time I wrote it on a notebook. I don't have the paper. Okay. All right, let's jump on numbers, see how much we made yesterday. $304. The guy, he paid for the truck diagnostic, battery and battery replacement. $90 for another diagnostic. $100 the guy, he paid it was the first customer. He paid for oil filter removal. His oil filter was messed up. I removed it for him. $642 for radiator replacement. That lady paid. And $90 for AC diagnostic. The total comes $1,208. That was the total revenue for one day, and comes to the part. $97 for battery, $160 for radiator, coolant, and basically I bought a bag of paper towels I needed. I bought $7 drink, and I paid $35 for gas, and the total comes $299. $299 from $1,208 comes up at $909 total revenue, net profit for a day. Almost 1,000, right? We're getting there. It's almost $1,000, $81. We have to get one more client to hit $1,000, but I'm sure next time I will hit it. Maybe I'll go over $1,000. Who knows? That's why I love mobile mechanic, because it's profitable, it's very easy, and it's very respected job. You know, you save a lot of customers. You're like a lifesaver. The guy with the oil filter, he was appreciated. He gave me 5-star review because of the attention, being on time, and deliver accurate result for him, because his oil filter was stuck, and I was able to tell him first at the beginning, hey, you need to change this. I'm gonna remove it, but it will break, just so that you know. This is experience. Because you need to be able to predict what's gonna happen, and you need to explain them ahead to the customers so they can be prepared for the things, the expenses, the money they need to spend. Otherwise, you're gonna be in hell. You're gonna be in a lot of troubles, because customers, they get mad when you tell them, when you surprise them, hey, surprise, your oil filter broke, I remove them, and it's gonna be on you, because they point finger at you. You should tell us, or you should pay it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope to see you guys, and if you like the video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.